some grammar exercises. We are much ahead in literature. If you have not understood any back chapters or poem, I'll repeat it. Do I need to repeat it, or you have understood whatever has been taught? Hello. अच्छा, टेस्ट के टाइम में रिवीजन करा देंगे. Now, in the following passages, one word has been omitted. Omitted means, you know? Hello?
Wrong.
No, editing means wrong. Omitted means left out. छूटा हुआ. एक word हर line में छूटा हुआ है. Omitted. Write the missing word along with the word that comes before and the word लिखा हुआ है. Printing mistake है. Word that comes after it. So, you have to write 3 words. Omitted word, the word that comes before and the word that comes after. Against the correct blank number. Ensure that the word that forms your answer is underlined. Okay. Several studies show that first one is already done for us. The word is between show and the. Show that the diets of female children and women inadequate. What is the left out word?
And the.
नहीं, and the नहीं.
Ma'am, was woman was inadequate.
Women are inadequate. Show that the diets of female children and women, here the are. The screen is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Women are inadequate as a result of indiscriminate food allocation. As a result of
Ma'am, of food allocation.
as a result of indiscriminate of food. नहीं.
Ma'am, as the result. होगा.
हाँ.
In food allocation.
Jigyasa,
Ma'am,
you have
as a result, ma'am.
correct place. Jigyasa, correct place you found out, but word is here.
Yes, ma'am.
You get half marks for finding out the correct place also. In CBSE, 1 mark is there for each blank. So half marks for finding out the place and half for the word. Even in error correction, that is the marking scheme. When we check copies, that marking scheme, in the marking scheme it is given that if the child has found out the wrong word, give half marks. And if the child has found out the correct place, then also to give half marks. So if you find out the correct place, then you will get half marks, and if you find out the place as well as word, then full marks. As a result of indiscriminate food allocation due to girls fail. Due to girls
Due
fail.
to this.
Huh?
Due to this.
Duty the
Yes,
girl.
very good, very good. Due to this. Due to this, girls fail. Due to this. The omitted word is this. Due to this, girls fail to full growth potential. To full growth potential.
To full growth of potential.
नहीं. Due to this, girls fail to full growth.
Come to the.
नहीं. Hello. Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Prachi. Roshni. Participation in 10G is very less. Why?
To attain full growth potential.
To attain.
The worst thing is
नहीं, worst thing के बिना चला, it you can manage, but here due to this girls fail to full growth potential.
Ma'am, to have full
Attain
growth
or to
potential.
get full the worst is when we find there is no increase.
find that there is no increase.
Soumya?
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya? The worst is when we find there is,
Find that.
yes, very good. Find that. There is no increase in F. Pritish Raman, you answer. Pritish Raman? Pritish? Can you hear me? Pritish Raman? You are there in the list of participants, but the last class also I asked you, you did not answer. Pritish, तो हाँ, Pritish Raman. Pritish Raman ज्वाइन करके कहीं चला गया है, रुको ये कंप्लेन भी करेंगे. What is this? रौनक कुमार? हाँ, अंकित राज, आंसर. हेलो हेलो प्रीतीश.
Yes, ma'am.
प्रीतीश बताओ. पिंकी कुमारी, टेंडी, all of you have to be active, at least try. हेलो अमन बताओ. अमन कुमार सिंह, टेंडी. ओके, those who know you tell इन लोग को. हेलो
Ma'am, your
Ma'am,
screen is
question मैम दिखाई नहीं देगा.
क्वेश्चन
क्वेश्चन नहीं दिख रहा मैम.
अब दिखाई दिया.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
ma'am
Ma'am,
quantity
quantity
of
of food, ma'am.
क्वांटिटी ऑफ
Ma'am, quantity of food, ma'am.
Yes, quantity of food. Quantity of food. Intake during pregnancies. There is no increase in quality and quantity of food intake during pregnancies.
During the
Line
pregnancy,
में कोई ये omission नहीं है, क्योंकि आगे blank में
ma'am, during the pregnancy,
in this line there is no omission. Why? Hello, mute yourself, mute karo Aman. So in this line there is no mistake. Why? Because there is no blank. In the event, woman giving birth children.
giving
But-
to
Ma'am,
birth
birth to
children.
children. Birth to the children.
Yes, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Children's नहीं, children already plural है, उसमें s नहीं लगाना. Child and children. Okay, children is already plural. Birth to children are also victims of malnutrition, anemia. Are also
Malnutrition
victims-
Ma'am, and anemia.
and
Yes, very good. Victims of malnutrition and anemia. Likewise, female feticide. Female feticide is also major.
Ma'am, also a major.
Ma'am, also a major.
Ma'am, also a major.
Yes. Also a major problem in the welfare aspect.
Welfare of
women.
Well,
Of
Welfare of
aspect women.
Of women.
Ma'am, welfare aspect of women.
aspect
Ma'am, welfare aspect of women.
of woman. Yes. Okay. Okay. Then assignment 2. This is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Options are given. You have to choose the correct one. Choose the best word from the options given. Humans, unlike many dash animals, are omnivores. Other.
Ma'am, another.
Huh?
another
Another,
ma'am.
ma'am. Another, ma'am.
Another नहीं. Another.
other.
Humans like many
Other
other
होगा.
animals.
Other.
Ma'am, other animal.
Yes.
Yes, other. This is the correct one. Humans, like many other animals, are omnivores. We require dash vegetable matter and meat to be fully healthy. Either, neither, together, both.
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 Both होगा मैम.
Both.
Both, ma'am.
Both.
Yes, both. We require both vegetable matter and meat to be fully healthy. Then, if so, both, although.
I'm so.
नहीं. If
Although.
so- yes.
Ma'am, if, ma'am.
सौम्या
Ma'am, if.
नहीं. If नहीं. You have to read the sentence further. Then only you'll get the answer.
Although
Ma'am,
some
therefore.
humans.
Although.
See, ma'am. Therefore.
Although some humans.
Ma'am, therefore, ma'am.
हाँ. Although ज़्यादा suitable लग रहा है. Although some humans. Dash. If is not suitable, so some humans, so is also not suitable. Therefore, although is best option. Although some humans dash to survive,
Are managing.
nahi.
Manages.
Manages होगा मैम.
Manage.
Will you use
Ma'am,
manage?
manages.
The subject is plural. Will you use s in the verb? Humans, subject is plural.
Had managed.
Nahi,
Ma'am, manage, ma'am, manage.
some humans, subject is plural. What will you use? Verb with s or verb without s?
Verb without it.
Without S.
Ma'am, without S.
Verb without s. So what will you use?
Manage.
Manage. So you have to remember this, that when the subject is plural, we use the verb without s. Huh? We go. He goes. Here, see, here singular, verb with s. Here plural, verb without s. This you have to remember. This is very basic. Huh? I like. I is exception. In third person you have to remember. So here the subject is plural. So in the verb, you will not put s. You have to remember this. Keep this in mind. So some humans manage to survive reasonably, healthier, healthily, healthiness.
Ma'am, healthier.
Reasonably, अब दिख रहा है option और blank दोनों. To survive reasonably, healthier, healthily, healthiness. Come on.
Ma'am, healthier.
Healthier मैम.
To survive reasonably, healthier. Reasonably, healthier. Healthily is not suitable. Reasonably, healthily, not suitable. Reasonably, healthyless. Healthiness, not suitable. Reasonably, healthy. Reasonably, yes, healthy is the most suitable. Or no, healthier is most suitable. Reasonably, healthier.
Yes, ma'am. Healthier.
Healthier is more so. Reasonably healthier while consuming no animal products at all. Those who are nowadays there is a trend, isn't it, that vegetarian food is better for health. Isn't this trend going on? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So nowadays it is said that you can manage even without eating the animal products, because you can get the protein from all the pulses and the nuts and all. So to survive reasonably healthier while consuming no animal products at all, dash their protein, find, found, finds, finding.
Ma'am, finding.
Yes,
Ma'am,
find.
finds.
नहीं finds नहीं, finding their, ये continuation में sentence है, तो continuation में अगर हम पढ़े तो finding is
Yes, ma'am.
most appropriate. To survive reasonably healthier while consuming no animal products at all, finding their protein mainly. Options are into, inside, in, on.
Ma'am, in. In, ma'am.
I'm in.
Yes, this is very clear. Finding their proteins mainly in. To carry out its many complicated functions, the human body requires
Ma'am, required. Required, ma'am.
I'm required.
Required.
Ma'am, required.
अब नहीं रिक्वायर करता, अभी भी तो ये तो ट्रूथ है ना.
Requires.
Require, human body, it is singular. So what will you use? Verb with s or verb
Requires.
without s?
Verb with S.
With us.
Yes, verb with s. So what will you use?
Required.
Yes.
So I and you is an exception. I and you is an exception, but in third person you have to remember that for singular subjects, verb with s, and for plural subjects, verb without s. Child likes. Children like. Huh? Women like jewelry. Women like. Because women is plural, verb without s. So this you have to remember. You will get these kind of mistakes in editing and all. Even in fill in the blanks, this concept has to be very clear to you people. And the following passage has not been edited. There is one error in each line. Underline the incorrect word and write the correct word in the space provided. The screen is visible to all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Till a little years back, there were, what is the mistake? Till a little years back, is it sounding correct to your ear?
Ma'am, little, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Ma'am,
नहीं
little.
लग रहा ना correct. तो
Instead
क्या?
of little, it's few. Few
Yes,
years
very
back.
good. While teaching determiners, I had told you, what did I tell you? That a little and much used for little, much,
Uncountable.
you see, uncountable, and many, few used for countable.
Countable.
And some
Countable.
common. Some is common for both. Okay, very good. Till a few years back, there were separate machines from printing. Very clear. What is it?
Ma'am, from की जगह for. From की जगह for.
Yes, very good. Instead of from, you have the word for. till a few years back, there were separate machines for printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. And
And की जगह और.
no. What is the mistake? And this is no longer the case.
Ma'am, and की जगह the. Copying the faxing.
Huh?
Ma'am, and
Okay,
की
I'll
जगह
give
the.
you a hint. There is an error in the conjunction. There is error in the conjunction. Is there a conjunction in the?
Ma'am, but this is no longer the case.
Yes, very good. Yes. But लेकिन पहले ऐसा था, लेकिन आजकल, हाँ, और आजकल तो नहीं ना सुटेबल लग रहा है, लेकिन पहले ऐसा था, अब बदल गया, लेकिन. But this is no longer the case. But this is no longer the case nowadays.
Longer the case.
Yes, very
Ma'am,
good.
longer the case.
Yes, very good. This is no longer the case. This is no longer the case. Nowadays, the complete segment on all-in-one printers. The
Ma'am, complete
Ma'am,
segment
off
in.
ma'am, on की जगह off.
In.
Ma'am, complete segment on की जगह off.
Okay. On के जगह off. सही बोले. आयुष थोड़ा वॉल्यूम थोड़ा कम, ठीक है ना? अच्छा है तुम एक्टिव हो.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay. Complete segment of all in one printers of all-in-one printers offer copy, scan, fax, and printing options.
Ma'am, offer की जगह offers.
नहीं, वर्ब में एस है ना, ये
Interplural है.
हाँ, वो तो प्लूरल है, तो वर्ब. Nowadays, the complete segment of all-in-one printers offer copy, scan, fax, and print options. I think there is no mistake in this line. कुछ एरर होगा, ये प्रिंटिंग में कुछ ये हो गया होगा, इसमें तो कोई एरर लग नहीं रहा है. Nowadays, the complete segment of all-in-one printers offer copy, scan, fax, and print options. Faxing, scanning, copying, and printing options. लेकिन ये भी तो ठीक ही लग रहा है. So I think it's a printing mistake, that there is no error. Okay, we'll move on to next. Print options plus excellence photo printing, all in one.
Excellent. Excellent.
Ma'am, excellent ma'am. Excellence की जगह excellent.
Yes, very good. Yes, this is the excellent. Yes. Printers are sell in both inkjet and lesser models. आयुष, अब तुम दूसरे को भी चांस दो. नाउ अदर, लेकिन वही तो है कि only few of them are active. सृष्टि आंसर. सृष्टि. प्राची आंसर. हेलो Prachi was there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, answer. Printers are sell in both inkjet and lesser models. What is the mistake?
Lesser की जगह less.
नहीं.
Ma'am, sell की जगह available.
Printers are sell in both. Printers are
Sell. ED.
प्राची सोच के बताओ. It's not difficult. Yeah.
Sold.
That means you're not concentrating.
Sold.
Huh?
Sold.
Yes, are sold. It's so simple. Are sell, are sold. Are sell, it's not at all suitable. Sold. Sell is the you have to be active because online classes are going to continue. You have to learn in online classes only. Oh, okay. Can we do this? Kitna time bacha? The following
Ma'am,
class,
1 minute.
1 minute is left. Okay. We started late, so 5 minutes is there. Chalo, hum log kar sakte. In the following passage, one word has been omitted in each line. Write the missing word along with the words which comes before and after it. Even if you are not able to solve, at least you attend the classes properly so that you will get to know how to solve it. Aryans prefer to choose. Aryans,
Ma'am, to
Prefer to
choose.
choose.
Prefer to
Ma'am,
choose.
prefer to choose.
yes, Aryans prefer to choose. Arian
Asians
is the horoscopic sign. Horoscope का अलग-अलग signs होता है ना, Aries. So Aries
Yes, ma'am.
prefer to the Aries sign. Prefer to choose vacation spots that offer new thrills and often go outdoor
And often
adventures.
to go.
outdoor.
And often to go नहीं, often to go तो नहीं, often go
Often go to.
go to
Go to.
outdoor adventures. Yeah, another preposition. Which preposition will be better than go to? Which preposition? For?
Go
Ma'am,
for.
on.
Go on outdoor name. Go for.
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 For is
For.
more suitable. Go for outdoor adventures. Adventures test their
To
endurance.
taste their.
To test their
Taste
To
their
test
endurance.
their
Very
endurance.
good.
Ma'am,
Very
to
good.
test.
Ma'am, to.
To test their endurance. Being fire sign, they prefer warm, dry climates. They prefer warm.
Prefer to.
Being fire sign, they prefer
They prefer to. Warm, dry.
warm and dry.
Ma'am, being a fire sign.
being of fire sign, they prefer warm.
And dry climate.
Being fire sign, being fire sign. Being of fire sign, they prefer warm and dry climates. यहाँ ज्यादा ये लग रहा है ना, but
And
fire sign, even if you don't put off, it's warm and dry climates. Climates cold locales.
Of cold locales.
of
Of warm and dry climates of cold locales. Being fire sign, they prefer warm and dry climates of cold locales. Yes. Africa, Australia, and Rajasthan in India.
Are the best.
Are
Yes.
holiday destination for them.
Yes, are the best. Are the best holiday destinations for them. A camping trip involves many adventures.
Like rock.
sorry,
Like
As rock climbing, skydiving.
Like या as दोनों ही ठीक लग रहा है. Like ज्यादा सूट ये कर रहा है. Like ज्यादा appropriate. Like rock climbing, skydiving, bungee jumping.
And
What is this? Do you know what is bungee jumping?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. What is it?
Ma'am, it is a jump from a very high place with the help of a rope, which is able to
Oh,
carry you.
okay. Okay. Uh, like rock climbing, skydiving,
And bungee
uh,
jumping. And bungee
yes,
jumping.
and yes, and okay. That brings us to the end of our class. Participation is very less. I'm not at all satisfied with your participation. You are taking English very lightly, and English will land you in trouble if you take English so lightly. What to say? Okay, bye all of you. We'll meet tomorrow.
Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.